Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to be able to open your trunk so it opens fully using a spring device. So it'll turn from this to this. So for this installation, you're going to need the spring, and I recommend a pair of gloves because you're going to be using your fingers and it's going to hurt being able to pry out this ring here. So first thing I recommend doing is taking this ring off first. Just get your thumb under there and take this off. Also, the second thing you can do is have the spring set up right in the middle of this bolt here. I find that this is the perfect length for the perfect amount of force for the trunk to open up. Alright, so we're currently looking at the back of the trunk. We are on the driver's side, looking at the driver's side, and we'll be installing this spring right at this wishbone kind of looking arc right here. I'll give a nice close-up view right now. Alright, so we're looking at the arc right here, and we're gonna first need this ring right here. This is where the gloves come really handy because your fingers will hurt a lot. So we're gonna place this on this beam right here. I'm gonna feed it through, and so I'm gonna twist it around, put it on, just like that. So now the ring's on there. We'll bring in our spring and we'll put this on here. Sorry, I know I'm blocking your view, but I'm just trying to get this on. All right, there you go. Yeah, it's a little tricky, and we're just gonna feed this on. And just like that, it is on. So yes, it'll get sucked up into here between this beam and this beam, and we're gonna hook it onto this whole insert right here. And that's it. That's the spring setup. I'll show you what it looks like when it opens and closes. All right, here's it closing the trunk. And opening it right now. And I will let it go from it closed. And it stays open. It's perfect. It's the perfect spot for this spring. Alright, so I do want to point out, so I got that one spring here. I do have a second spring, so I actually did have two springs attached to here. And I found that it was just too much force to have two springs, so the one is just perfectly fine. Yeah. Now you have a awesome trunk that opens fully, hands-free, and now you can access your trunk without having to pull it up. Pushing it down is not that hard. There is some strength you have to put into it, but not that much. So I'm close. Hopefully this video helps. Please give it a like if you found this useful, and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content. Thanks.